Asim Kumar Arun, what is the pattern that you're seeing in the kind of attacks that so far?
Right. Government of Uttar Pradesh and DGP have issued very clear instructions that our response to such situations has to be very systematic, tactically superior and well planned, and that is what we are doing. Even though the instance like today and a couple of other instances have happened, and this is obviously unacceptable. A new ordinance has been brought in so that we can take stronger and strict legal action, including arrests and heavy penalties.
Now, what are people
So
opposing? What are people opposing, Asim?
Of course, as we all
Asim,
understand,
what are
the
people
police
opposing?
has dual.
What are people opposing?
Yes. Right, I'll try and answer that. There are two issues to it. One, of course, the police has to be sensitive. We have to build trust when we go into a situation like this, and we do that. We use our public address system, we get local support so that people are clear on what we are doing and there's no mismatch in the understanding. However, despite that, if people are deliberately opposing it, not understanding the issues, then
No, it's a
the
shame.
force of law
It's a shame because people like Syed Abbas will come and find justifications for it. You know, Gaurav, why this happens? Because people like Syed Abbas will come and find justifications for it. Some political silly justification. I want to ask people like him, how many more attacks should we tolerate? Uttarakhand, we saw a team, Gaurav, of Asha workers who had gone to Makhanpur village, misbehaved with by locals and manhandled. Moradabad, he won't like us mentioning Moradabad. People pelted stones. You know what happened out there? Broken windshields, massive stones, pre-planned attack. Howrah? You saw the pictures of Howrah, Gaurav? A crowd gathered during the lockdown. When the police approached them, they attacked the police personnel. Patiala?
Could I come in, please?
Patiala?
Let me make it very
Niang Singhs were attacked.
clear.
No, you are trying to find a leeway for the people who are the attackers, and I am saying no more leeway. What is wrong with what Gaurav is saying? Tonk?
I'll tell you.
You remember Tonk?
There are two
No, every
points
time he
I'd
says
like to
merciless
make,
response
sir.
to these
First
attackers,
thing,
you
any
get tense.
attack-
Why?
Any attack
You're not an attacker, are you?
or a health worker is absolutely uncalled for, condemnable. They must be dealt with strict, yes. But the second point, the problem I have with Major Gaurav Arya Sahab is, and sir, an eye for an eye will make the whole world blind. You do not deal with violence with violence. What would be the difference between an illiterate, stupid fighter on the road and the police personnel? There has to be a difference. What needs is a counseling. Local leaders need to be involved, community leaders need to be involved, counseling needs to be done, and the steps need to be taken forward. But if they throw stones at you and you bring back lethal or non-lethal, it is absolutely not going to work, sir.
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.